Okay, so again, we're given a problem and, successive derivatives over here. I'm gonna write them down real quick for you, all right? So f of x equals 7x4, we'll check the key later, plus x cubed, plus 9x squared. And you could do this, really quickly, especially if you use this prime notation. That's 28 x cubed plus 3x squared plus 18x. Now, when I say you could do it quickly, I'm not saying you're not making a mistake. All I'm saying is you're doing it quickly. Now, certainly, if I make a mistake with the second, whoops, I made a mistake there, and I got to correct it. I don't know why I said second derivative. I have to erase. I got to start again. Off to a bad start. All right. So let's write that down again. F of x equals 7x4. And I would recommend, if you're off to a bad start, clean slate. I really do mean that. Clean slate. F prime. Well, that's going to be 28x cubed plus 3x squared plus 18x. And again, I'm not saying I couldn't make a mistake, but if I make a mistake here, everything that follows is going to be an error. Well, maybe not everything. I'll eventually get to a 0, which will be correct for a polynomial. What do you get there? Let's see, 60 and 24, 84. X squared plus 6x plus 18. And I'm going to keep going. This is third. What does that give you? 168. X plus 6. Remember, we do not use 4 tick marks. We use a numeral in parentheses, and this is the fourth derivative. What's that going to be? 168. And then the fifth derivative onward is just going to be 0. All right, let's look at the key. And I want to point out, looking at the key, and I'm going to look at the key backwards. All right, I'm going to look at this. Whoops, to do that. I'll look at this. I'll look at this. I'll look at this. I'll look at this. Looking pretty good. 168 plus 6. I'm seeing that. Kind of working my way backwards, right? 84x squared plus 6x plus 18. Wow. 28x cubed plus 3x squared plus 18x. All right? And the function's given. That's pretty hard to get that wrong. Okay, so the claim, again, you probably should learn how to type this stuff up. All right? Because I'll be honest with you, the chicken scratch, for the most part, I'm not saying it looks awful, but when you're presenting something to somebody, it probably should be typed up. It should be really nice and neat and typed up. And this is. All right? So I realize that I haven't mentioned this in a while. My name is Ron Bannon, and my email address, in case you want to reach out to me, is Bannon. That's B as in boy, the @ symbol, NNON.US. And again, if I'm not overwhelmed, I'll get back to you. I also want to point out, I always talk about this typesetting business. I have websites up also to help you learn how to typeset. Thank you.